All right, so this is one of our DIY clients here, Matt Baker and his father Tom, and they're doing this project themselves. They contacted me for an estimate and we got to talking, and they had the time and they had the manpower, so we always want to do what's best for you depending on what your circumstances is. We're here for you. So what we have here is a patented high octane French drain system that's installed with a side-by-side solid drain right here. So the solid drain is connected to the catch basins and connected to the channel drain. And this is our patented 8-slot high flow, high octane pipe. This is Matt, and he's been doing a lot of the work here. I'd say it's a beautiful job. And quite honestly, if you and your dad want a job when it's all said and done, I think I got some work for you. This is exactly how I would do it. And what's your thoughts on how the process has gone?
It's a lot of hard work, but I think it's going really well. And with your help and advice, I think we're gonna solve a lot of our issues.
So what they had going on here is they have a 3-story home that's sort of staggered in the ground, and they were getting water inside their house. So what they did was they did a curtain French drain coming along the front here, and they stacked in several tiles. You can see when you have the space, the more tiles the better. I think they have 6 of the tiles in here, along with the solid side-by-side drain. And you can see our tile tape, how it wraps up tight. These is 100% leak proof, 200-year disintegration rate. This is the way that you want to connect your tile, your piping, anytime that you're using this type of pipe. So they went ahead and they prepped all the way down here.
Cheap out on the fabric.
That's right. So they're using all of our products, all of our French Drain Man products. This is the 4-ounce double punched non-woven geotextile filter fabric. And then when they're all done, they're going to close it up and they're going to stitch it together with hog ring staples, staple every 3/8 of an inch. So it's going to be sutured up just like if it was done by a surgeon. And so this is heading out this way. And then they also have a system running up near the house that they're going to do the same installation. You can see how much work this is. You can see they tunneled all the way under the walkway here. They moved all kinds of dirt. And that dirt doesn't get put back in the trench. That dirt has to be removed and discarded of or put somewhere else on the property. So you can see what they had tried to solve this several times before, not Matt and Tom, but the previous owner. And so they put dimple board on the house and they put flashing. I mean, they put a sump pump in here. They did everything they could but call the drain guy. So this is going to be another French drain system coming through here. And they're actually going to tie in the downspouts with our patented leaf filters and cleanouts. So it'll run side by side with another 7 tiles running through here. And you can see the amount that they had to tunnel underneath this walkway is an astronomical amount of work. They really did a brilliant job. All they needed was a little bit of advice and the correct materials, and they're doing it on their own. So I'm real proud of them. I'm happy to help any clients that think that they want to try this project themselves. What we really want is what's best for you, not what's best for us. We do fine on our own, but at the end of the day, what makes me happy is when I know that I'm doing a good service for my clients and treating them like family. But you can see he had to go all the way under this retaining wall, all the way through the deck, all the way down the back. He really did a lot of digging. So in conclusion, if you ever need help or advice, or you want to do your drain system yourself, and you just want someone to lay it out for you and tell you what to do and what not to do, I'm happy to help you. I'm here for you. I always have my telephone on 7 days a week from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Once you have my texting number, you can text me any time of day, and I'm happy to walk you through whatever that you need done. We supply all these materials as well, and I have every bit of material that you would need, all the way from the high octane to the fittings to the leaf filters, our patented not quite a 90s. We have it all, the tile tape, everything that you would need. Cleanouts, our catch basins. So if you just reach out and contact me anytime, I'd be happy to help you any way that I can.